Okay, I have to make this intro quick because my camera battery is about to die and I just finished filming this makeup look and I really want to get everything done. Not very talkative in this video because brain just and yeah, this is a quick little everyday type of a makeup look. I'm going bouldering later today, so gotta keep it simple, so otherwise I look ridiculous. Yes, I am wearing the same top and same hairstyle as the last video that you probably saw. Not my problem. I filmed it on the same day. I'm not going to change my shirt. I'm too lazy for that. Anything else that I want to say on this look or in this intro? I hope that this video brings you just a small amount of joy in the whole situation in the world right now. And if it doesn't, then I'm very sorry. And yeah, I'm not good at this intro today, so that's okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's hop into the makeup. Okay, so like I said in the intro, simple, easy, everyday. I'm going bouldering later today, so I'm not wearing a full face, by the way. I have like a primer and some blush and contour on. Like, I'm not all out, and I want to keep the eye look as simple as possible. I do want to wear makeup today, but I am going bouldering later today, so having like super intense eye makeup is a little bit much for the bouldering haul. So today I am going to be playing with my Limoncello palette from ColourPop. I bought it in summer because it is a very summery palette, but I'm in the mood for a little bit of summer. The weather has been and it's sunny now, which is lovely. I completely forgot to turn on my ring light. Let's see. Much better. Oh. No. Ah, much better. There we go. It is sunny, but I am on the north-facing window, so you won't be able to see much. So you won't have any effect of the sun, but I am feeling much more summery. So we are going to start with touring. I'm going to put this all over the lid. So let's zoom you in. And I am going to be using this this Real Techniques crease prep brush. It's just kind of like intended for stippling, but whatever. And we're just going to, let me move that. Just to give a nice shimmery base. This is a look that I would also, for example, wear from working from home, because it's quick, it's easy, it doesn't require a heck of a lot. Next, I'm going to be going into Vespa, which is this beautiful dark brown here, and we are going to draw on a wing. So when I draw on my wing, I usually go with an eyeshadow wing, because it's so much easier. Alright, so what we're going to do is look straight ahead and pull it out like so. Now, the reason I do it like this is because I have hooded eyes. As you can see, most of my lid disappears into the hood, which means that if I do my wing wrong, then you won't, like, the wing will just look really, really weird. So, another reason why I prefer the powder wing option, because I can just do that and then the wing suddenly works really well. Same thing on the other side. Remember to drop your eyebrow, because I always lift mine when I'm doing my makeup because it helps me see my lid better, but it'll make the hood disappear. and I'm going to take it into my inner corner, like so. Kind of create that fox eye effect. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be 100% even or anything like that. Next, let's see, which brush shall I use? Do I have any brushes that are clean? Not really. Okay, well, in that case, we're going to be using this definer brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to be going into Capri, or Capri, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to use that on my lower lash line because I think it'll make this look a little bit more bright and fun. You think Capri is really, really like a green, but when it comes out of the pan, it's actually very gold, which is fascinating. Like a green gold. Very pretty. But if you were hoping for more of a green, too bad. Is this too extra for the bouldering hole? I don't know. I'm just going to wipe a little bit of the excess off, and then we're just going to gently kind of go like this to blend it nicely, make it less harsh. Brilliant. Okay, I'm going to hop back into my, oh, I never told you what the brush was that I was doing my winged liner with. This is a ColourPop E30 brush, and we're just going to very lightly, my camera battery is going to die, so I hope I finish this before then. Otherwise I'll end up filming the rest on my phone. We're just going to very lightly, like very, very lightly add like a second wing to it, kind of like so. And I think I'm actually just going to leave it like that. So next is mascara. Save my camera battery. I am going to do my mascara off camera, so I'll be right back. And I'm back. I put on my mascara and kind of adjusted my hair, and this is my very, very quick eye makeup look for just like quick everyday type of a thing. With practice it'll take you almost no time at all, and if I literally have no time, it's just one and done shimmer shadow mascara, that's it. I know this was a short one, and I know I didn't really talk a lot. Situation in Europe is still weird, and it's still messing with my head, and therefore I'm not as talkative. So I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. I hope you enjoyed this shorter little video. In comparison to a more elaborate eye look, I want to try and film 2 videos on the same day, because I usually film in the weekend, but I usually only film for 1 day. So I want to try and produce more content, and so you will get a more extravagant look and a less extravagant look, I hope, at least, to be able to continue that trend. I hope you had have a lovely day. Take care of yourself. Remember to take the space for your mental health. And I will see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, etc. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. TikTok's still useless. Instagram, good. And I will see you in the next one.